Right, we're doing some unboxing today. This should be a birthday present, but I ordered it early because it's on sale. Ooh. And it's from 8 Samuel. Yay, yay. And ta-da! It's Casio watch. It's G-Shock. Aha. G-Shock. What I wanted with this is solar siya at Bluetooth. Tingnan mo, hindi naman kalakihan. It's 49 cm diameter. Tapos, yung flat siya dito, yung mga bagong designs na ngayon. At this is, what do you call this one? This is men's, but I think G-Shock is unisex. Ayan. Ayan siya. Solar. At Bluetooth. Maano mo yung mga activities mo dun sa connected with your phone. Okay, someone is asking for ice cream today. It's first thing in the morning. Okay, I'm done with the unboxing. Thank you for watching.